Fuse box location for Integra, 1999. So the first fuse box is right under the steering wheel, right in here. Just pull it, and it's right in there. Put it back. Just like this. OBD port usually underneath the car, right here, inside here under the steering wheel. But on this car, if you're looking for it, it's right under by the passenger side, right in here. I don't know if you can see it, right there. OBD port, right under the dash. So let me show you two more fuse boxes, which is under the hood. Let's open up the hood. So the main fuse box is right here. This is the what it's for. To open it, you just open this. It's in there, right there. And then the third one is right in here. To open it, you just click on this, press, and it goes up. Relay and fuse box. I think that should be it. I mean, there might be more. Comment below if there is. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.